Facts and Figures, Unit 3, Lesson 5, The Coffee Plant. How many cups of coffee did you drink yesterday? Where did the coffee come from? There's a good chance that your coffee came from one of these countries: Brazil, Colombia, Indonesia, Ivory Coast, or Ethiopia. These 5 countries produce most of the coffee in the world today. Brazil produces about half of the world's crop of coffee beans. The coffee plant is really a small tree with shiny leaves. A coffee plant grows for about 3 years before it produces any fruit. After that, it produces fruit for about 40 years. The coffee bean is the seed of the fruit. It's difficult to pick coffee beans. Machines can do it well, so people pick most of the coffee beans by hand. Workers typically pick between 20 and 40 pounds of coffee beans a day. The old way to grow coffee plants is under large trees. The trees protect the coffee plant from the sun. The trees are also home to many kinds of birds. On many modern farms, however, farmers cut down the trees. They grow the coffee plants under the sun. Large farms can produce more coffee this way. Unfortunately, the coffee plants on these farms need more water and more fertilizer. And without the trees, the birds don't have a place to live.